flat tire simulator with the Q-plug system. Here's the final result. Plug in just like normal, except that it was way easier and quicker, and my favorite part, way cheaper than alternatives. And you've got the CO2 holder, get your air on there quickly, and they both just pop right back on when you're done. The plug is double-sided, so you got two plugs with that, and obviously you can carry more than one set. Yeah, go get you one. Only $10 on my store. Here's just a quick little clear explainer. It comes in a case. You take the case off, you stick it in until about this depth, then you pull out and the whole head with the plug comes out, kind of like some other products. But this one is plastic. It won't break your rim, won't damage anything when you just shove it in there. And it's really light, like I said. This is 13.5 grams with the 2 strips. Super light, super convenient, super cheap.